Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope so you are fine. Today we will learn at words. At. This is at. E-A-T-T. At. This is at. Now we will make the friends of at. Look, here is V. V at vet. V at vet. V at vet. Very good. Okay, now tell me, what is this? Good. This is P. P at pet. P at pet. Good. Wow, look, here is W. W V at vet. V at vet. Good. Look, here is S. S at set. S at set. S at set. Very good. This is set. Okay, class, now read with me. V at vet. V at vet. V at vet. V at vet. Very good. P at pet. P at pet. Very good. J at jet. J at jet. S at set. S at set. Very good. N at net. N at net. This is net. This is all about at family words. Hope so you enjoy the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos. Allah Hafiz.